Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Soumya Shri and welcome to another lifestyle video. For today's video, we will look into my current lip balm collection. As I had already told you earlier, like this is one piece of um, cosmetic, or I would say uh, a care product that I cannot do without absolutely. So yeah, let's look into my collection. And to all those who are watching, make sure you watch this video till the end because I have a surprise haul at the end. So yeah, let's move into the video. So my very first product would be a product that I've already mentioned in the previous video. This is a lip balm by the brand Vadi. As you can see, this is the mint lip balm. I have already mentioned, I had already mentioned about this lip balm in my previous video. This would retail for rupees 35. This is the price that is mentioned in the lip balm. As you can see, this is already finished. I'm obsessed with this one, especially in the summer season. And it has a activate UV block, so it's really good for your lips, or for the sun protection also. And otherwise it has a mint sensation whenever you're applying. So yeah, and this is pretty cheap. As you can only see, it's like 35 rupees. So a huge thumbs up for this product. This is the first one. Okay, then moving on to the next lip balm, I would say I have two of these, one strawberry and one orange. They are from the brand called Eva. You can see these, this is the strawberry one and this one is the orange one. So both of these, they have a rich vitamin E, and each one of them they retail for only 30 rupees. So again, these are I would say these are the texture of these would be certainly like Vaseline, like the normal Vaseline that we use. It's that sort of a thing, but it has got a very fruity smell. Like if you smell the orange one, it's a total orangey smell. Again, same goes with the strawberry one. So this again has that typical strawberry smell. So these are also pretty good. They retail for only 30 rupees and they come in different flavors. I believe I got another chocolate one, which is probably of 40 rupees. I'm not sure about it, and I got these from the local store. If I'll get the link from Nykaa or Amazon, I'll definitely link these below, right? So yeah, these were my second set of lip balms. Okay, now moving on to the third lip balm. This is from Amoha Natural. This is a nutty almond one, and they are having butter. Yeah, so these are almond butter sort of a lip balm, and this retails for only rupees 149. I would tell you what are the ingredients. As I already told you, it has almond, aloe vera extract, aloe gel, coconut oil, shea butter and cocoa butter. So yeah, these are the ingredients, and this is from the brand Amoha Naturals, and I got it from a local mall. So again, if I get the link, I'll link it below. So this is another one. Okay, so moving on to this lip balm. This I recently got from Miniso. It is just called Vitamin E, and obviously it is vitamin E enriched. So the current lip balm that I'm wearing is this lip balm, and I've never tried Miniso lip balms, to be honest. This is the first time. I got it only 3-4 days, not 3-4 days, I would say 1 week back. That's it. Yeah, so I got this 1 week back, and this was the first time I was trying a lip balm from Miniso, and this again retails from for rupees 199. So pretty affordable. The color is great, and again consists of vitamin E. So yeah, a real good product. This is it. Okay. Uh, Now my next lip balm is from the brand called Sugar. Like this is the lip balm. Again, this was the first time I was trying a like sugar product, and I have to say this has a very creamy texture, and the smell is totally of coffee. Sorry, like always feeling of smelling it. So this has a great smell, to be honest, and very creamy. Again, you would get that cocoa butter wala thing. Like, I mean, this is again in the shade of 05 Irish coffee, and whenever you're smelling, putting it in the lips or whatever, you will feel that coffee wala vibe. Really, it's so good smelling and absolutely creamiest. So again, this is from Sugar. It's 199 only, very affordable. And okay, like just to note, like all of my lip balms are below 250 rupees, so all of them are very affordable. So yeah, this was from Sugar. The next lip balm is from the brand Mamaearth. This is again a cocoa and chocolate lip balm from the brand Mamaearth, and this I guess has all those similar cocoa butter and these sort of like ingredients. Well, this does not smell like such, but yeah, again this is sort of a creamiest lip balm, and this would again retail you for rupees 199. So yeah, I'll link them down below. So if you want to take it, go to the link and buy it. Okay, so my next lip balm would be a lip balm from Nykaa. This is called Serial Kisser lip balm, and this the one that I have is of grapes flavor. Yeah, this smell of grapes. I have nothing left, to be honest. I'm almost done with it, as you can see. And this is the packaging. These are quite old, like I've been using them a lot of times. So yeah, of course, this again retails for rupees, as far as I remember, it's 150 or 140 around. Okay, I'll just give the link below. If you want, go and check it out. It has a fruity smell, like typical grape smell, and this is again one of the most creamiest lip balm. So yeah, this is also pretty good. Okay, so my next lip balm is Lip Crush from Nykaa. Again, it's almost gone. The writing is almost gone. As you can see, these are pretty old. Like, yeah, they're not expired. This much I'm sure. Okay, this one is chocolate hazelnut. Like, this is a chocolate hazelnut scent, whatever. Okay, scent of flavor. So, I'm sorry. This is how it looks from inside, and this again has a chocolate smell. Again, the creamiest. This is the most expensive lip balm I have, and this is of 249 rupees. I had another similar kind of lip balm, like in a different flavor, that is the mint flavor. So as I had already mentioned earlier, I guess in some of the video, or even if I haven't, the two flavor that I absolutely love in lip balm is one chocolate and one mint. So most of my lip balms would be either cocoa, coffee or chocolate, or mint. Yeah, so this is it. Again, I'll give the link of this down below. Okay, my last two lip balms would be from Nivea. This one was a special Disney edition, and I got this, like, as you can see, this is the like Frozen movie character. So yeah, I got this special edition lip balm, and if I'm not wrong, I believe it's again of rupees 149 or 150, like again between 140 to 150 rupees. So I would give the link of this down below. You may not get the limited edition one, but yeah, you would definitely get the original Nivea lip balm. So this is a very basic lip balm, and yeah, it had like has the creamiest texture again, like, again similar to those of cream textures, not the Vaseline one, but yeah, it's creamy. So I'll link this down below again. My last lip balm. My last lip balm is Lakme Lip Love. So I bought this from a local store, and I got certain amount of off over this lip balm because I got it from a local like Lakme store where you get certain discounts. But um, I would link this down below. I don't remember the price. Again, it would be around 140 to 150, not more than that, of course. And whenever you're applying this, I don't know, it looks white. You all can say it looks white, right? But if you're applying it, you'll get a pinkish shade. So, like that was, I didn't notice it first, but then when I applied, then I saw it. Actually, if you can see the packaging also, you will see it has written Insta Pink. So yes, whenever you're applying, it gives you that pinkish shade. Again, it's between 140 to 150. So yeah, that was all the 10 of my lip balms, all of these. Now moving on to the surprise haul. During my last off, like my last off was 1 week ago, as I already told. I went to Miniso, and to be honest, whenever you're getting inside Miniso, the only one word that comes from inside is cute. They are certainly very cute, but even like all of the products that Miniso has is very cute. Like, I don't know, if your mood is off, like it's sort of a therapy that I have. If my mood is off and I go into Miniso, I can just stand there for I don't know how long, but I can just stand there and observe things. Like, they are so cute, and you can't stop buying things from Miniso. But one thing which I was very upset about is that Miniso has, again, they have very cute pens, but they were not, that affordable. Or I won't say affordable, yeah, they are affordable, but they weren't that cheap that you could, you know, buy it from Miniso and then carry it to the hospital and then lose it. I mean, we are nurses, and you know what are the issues with pens in the hospital. So yeah, and because I'll just show you one example. I got this pen from Miniso, like this I got few years back. I got it from Bhubaneswar. You can see the color, it's so beautiful. I got it from the Kit Road Miniso outlet. And I think, if I remember, I got this for rupees 90. Okay, I got this for rupees 90. Again, it is a black gel pen. I'm sorry, I'm drawing it in my hand. It is a black gel pen, as you can see. Yeah, it's smooth running and everything, but again, 90 rupees ke liye, I mean, I cannot carry it to the hospital, and then if I lose it, my heart would be broken. So you can just understand that was the struggle with it. But recently, on my this off day, when I went to Miniso, I saw they have pen combos, and that too pretty cheap. I was so happy. So right for 200 rupees, I got this bunch of pens. Now I would tell you like what are their prices and how cheap it is. So yeah, this was the surprise haul I was talking about. So yeah, I'll show you. So I got like this set of 4 pens. You can see there are 2 gel pen and 1 black, like 2 blue gel pen, 1 black gel pen, and 1 red gel pen. So these are a pack of 4. Smoothest gel pens ever. Like, they are so smooth, and whenever, I don't know, whenever you're writing over the like paper, whatever, they look so beautiful. I don't know, for no reason they look very very beautiful. And we, like, as you all know that I'm a ICU nurse, so we have to like write that 24 hours chart. Okay, we have to maintain it pretty well. Like our documentation should be perfect in the ICU charts. So like I just can't tell you, these pens are blessings. They are so smooth, well pigmented, and they look beautiful. Like these are absolutely beautiful. This set of a 4 I got only for 50 rupees. Very very good deal. Like just in love with these. So yeah, this is my first set. The second set that I got is again for rupees 50. Not these three only, I got two more colors, but I have gifted them to some of my friends and seniors. So yeah, they were 5 set, and you can see the cap colors, they are very pretty. Again I got this set for 50 rupees, so that was also a very, you know, good deal. Like each pen for 10 rupees, great. Again they are very smooth, and these are again black gel. So yeah, these are also very very good, very smooth. Again, pigmentation perfect. And yeah, Miniso has great pens, I have to say. Miniso, perfect. Okay, so my next set of pens are a little costlier than the rest of the two set, but I couldn't give up these three beautiful colors. So these three, they are blue gel pens, and again I have to say, just look at the pigmentation, like wow. They are again very smooth running, very beautiful. The colors are pretty. They have this Miniso writing here. I got these three pens for rupees 100. So I don't think that's a very pricey one. Like it's okay, like we could do with it. So these are the three pens. I don't know if they are available in which of the outlets, but this is the nearest Miniso to me. I mean, this is in Acropolis Mall in Kolkata. So they are available in these outlets. I don't know, like if you can go and find it in your nearest outlet if you want these. So yeah, just go and check it out. And I hope you have loved my lip balm collection. Just write in the comments down below which one is your favorite, if you have your personal favorites, or what kind of lip balms you like. If you have any other queries, just please comment down below. And please do consider subscription to my channel for all those of you who are new here. If you want any new videos, please write in the comments down below. Please, I just want to make sure that you guys tell me your views about my channel. That's it. So hope you like this video. Consider giving a thumbs up if you like my effort and if you like my video. So yeah, bye bye.